Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to learn verb. Do you know what is a verb? Children, action words that tell what we are doing are called verb. In the picture, you can see what John is doing. He is doing exercise. So, doing is the verb. Reena is skipping. What is Reena doing? She is skipping. So, skipping is the verb. Okay. What he is doing? He is laughing. So, laughing is a verb. And Mona is running. So, what is a verb? Running is a verb. You can understand. What is a verb? Action words that tell us what we are doing are called verb. Children, what is the definition of the verb? Verb is a word used to describe an action, state of occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence. It means verb is the most important part of the sentence which form the main part of the predicate of a sentence. I told you that a sentence has two parts. One is subject and the other one is predicate. And verb is the main part that form the main part of the predicate of a sentence. Okay, children? Now, what can a verb do? A verb may tell us what a person or thing does, as Ali laughs. What Ali does? Ali laughs. So, laughs is the verb. The clock strikes. What does a clock do? Strikes. Strikes is a verb. Maria works hard. What does Maria do? She works hard. Works is a verb because these words tell us what a person or thing does. What is done to a person or thing is also tell us by the verb. Sarah was scolded. What is the verb? Scolded. The window is broken. What is broken? Window is broken. Broken is the verb. What a person or thing is, it is also told us by the verb only. The cat is dead. Dead is the adjective. How's the cat? Cat is dead. Is the verb. The glass is brittle. Is verb. I feel sorry. How do I feel? I feel sorry. Feel is the verb. She is late in the class. Is the verb. Okay. Types of verb. Children, there are many types of verb like intransitive verb, transitive verb, compound verb, helping or auxiliary verb, linking verb, regular verb, irregular verbs. And today we are going to learn action verbs. What are action verbs? Action verbs are words that express action or possession like give, eat, walk, etc. or possession, have, own, etc. Action verbs can be either a transitive or intransitive. What do you mean by transitive verb? Transitive verbs are action verbs that have an object to receive that action. If there is an object, then it is transitive verb. I baked some cookies. Now I am telling, what did I bake? I baked some cookies. So it is transitive verb. I rode the bicycle. I moved the chair. In this sentence, what did I move? I moved the chair. In these sentences, I baked some cookies. Some cookies are object. I rode the bicycle. The bicycle is the object. I moved the chair is the object. So in every sentence there are objects. So they are transitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are action verbs, but unlike transitive verbs, they do not have an object receiving the action. For example, I laughed. In the sentence, there is no object. I cried. The book fell. The horse galloped. The sun set. In all the sentences, there are no object. So, it is called intransitive verb. Children, I think the concept is clear to you. Thank you.